Hey Grandpa, can you move this a little? This thing can't come through.
Okay.
Can I have one of both?
What is it?
A
A what?
lock washer and a nut.
Okay. Oops. You ready to do one more lock? How many are left?
One.
One of what?
One of both.
One of lock washer and bolt.
Okay. Okay, the bolt is the long piece and the nut is the small one. That's the bolt that Quincy's putting in now.
I need two of them, please.
Okay, keep one hand on there and then she'll hand you. Ask her for what you need.
Mama, can I have a lock washer and a nut, please? Thanks.
Now I'm all gone.
You're all done with your part. You did pretty good.
Now you need to hold the wrench so we can tighten it and put it on the truck. Okay.